Okay, that was my 15 Grand's biscuits that we smashed into our pan. Now I'm coming in with my 2 pounds of cooked ground beef, and we're just putting that right on top of our biscuits for this super easy dinner. It is super accessible, super delicious. Anyone can make it. It is great for a weekday dinner if you're coming home late from work and you want something tasty. And this is gonna feed a crowd. I'm actually making it for a potluck. I've made this before as just a normal dinner and everyone raved about it. So I figured I'd bring it to the potluck today because it's so good. On top of that ground beef, I'm gonna add some diced onions, and this is 1 whole white diced onion. I'm gonna just sprinkle this right on top. You can saute your onions beforehand if you want them a little bit softer, but I love onions. I love a little crunch, so I am just adding this entire raw onion right on top of our ground beef. Delicious. Now I'm coming in with my burger seasoning, and we're gonna season up this entire dish. I absolutely love burger seasoning because it has everything you need all in one seasoning. But if you're picky about your seasonings, you can just use what you like. But I love this because it really just adds to the dish that we're trying to create. And we're making sure to add a nice layer of that seasoning right on top because this is what's gonna bring some fun and yummy flavors.
Smells good.
Yeah. Now, to make sure we have lots of moisture, we have our Thousand Island dressing, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this entire little mini bottle right on top of our entire dish. Now, you could do a mayo ketchup blend. You could add some mustard to this, but I love Thousand Island. You kind of just want to choose whatever sauce you like on your burgers and go with it. But I am a California In-N-Out kind of girl, so Thousand Island is my favorite. And we're gonna go ahead and make sure we get all of that out so that everything has lots of dressing. Doesn't that look delicious?
Oh my goodness, yes.
All right, we did our best and that looks perfect. Now I'm coming in with my sharp cheddar cheese, and we're gonna add a lot of cheese to this because the more cheese, the better. Now we're kind of, like I said, going for like a burger kind of style, but in casserole form. So if you like American cheese with your burgers, you could use that. If you like Swiss, you can use that, but I am a cheddar type of person, so we are adding about a bag and a half of our sharp cheddar right on top, and you can grate your own cheese if you like, but I wanted this to be super fast this time, so we're just using the bags of Kraft, which is so good. Now I did have some more rolls of our biscuits, and we're gonna go ahead and open these up because we are doing a layer of biscuits on top as well. Woo! And we're gonna grab our biscuits. Whoa. And we are going to place these right on top, kind of in the same place we had our first layer. And we did have one from our other package. And we're gonna go ahead and add another 15 biscuits right on top. And I want these to get nice and buttery and browned. So we're gonna add a little bit of a butter wash onto our biscuits. This is just like 3/4 of a stick that I had left over that I melted, which should be more than enough butter to get this nice and golden. Oh, I'm so excited because this is gonna be a delicious cheeseburger casserole. It is so yummy, and like I said, I've made it before and everyone loved it. So you can adjust everything to your liking. You could even do crescents instead of the biscuits, but I think the biscuits kind of play off of the idea of a bun, which is why I like it. And we did smash those bottom ones down so that they'll cook a little bit more evenly, but this is ready. All right, I have my oven set to 350, and this is gonna cook for about 45 minutes. Oh, this smells so good. Look how beautifully golden brown those biscuits are. Oh, I am so excited to dig into this. Let's go ahead and get some of this. We're gonna make sure we get that bottom biscuit. Looks delicious. Woohoo. All right, let's give it a try.
Is it good?
That is amazing. Just as good as last time. You gotta try it.